Hello dear viewers, welcome to TV Matter. For those that are here for the first time, my name is Tujomrujeno Vincent, also known as TV. I welcome you all to this channel, and please kindly subscribe, like and share this video to your friends. In our today's session, we shall be looking at Senior 5 end of term 3 item number 4. We have so far discussed 3 items in our previous videos. And please, in case you haven't watched any of these videos, kindly check for the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. So we have been looking at different questions from different papers that have been done by different schools. And so far, this is our item number 4. We have also different items that we also discussed in our previous videos. Please check for the playlist for the Senior 5 one. You will be able to get a variety of videos that will help you in your revision. So let us look at this item. It says a treasure map uses a coordinate grid to help adventurers locate hidden treasures in Mwende district. The grid is labeled with coordinates x, y, where each point represents a specific location. 2 equations are used for safety of the treasures, but the travelers have no knowledge of how to identify the coordinates. These equations are, you are given these 2 equations, and our task is to help them identify the location. To identify the location, it means we shall help them to obtain the coordinates for the grid, of which the coordinates are given in the form of x and y. And for that case, it means our interest will be to obtain the values of x and y from these given equations. So, looking at the given equations, we are given that 5 to the power x plus 2 plus 7 to the power y plus 1 is equal to 3, that is 3,468. And 7y is equal to 5x minus 76. So, looking at equation 1 and 2, you realize that we can create something which is similar. So, looking at this equation, you have 7 to the power y plus 1, but here you have 7 to the power y. So, what we can do is to ensure that we create 7 to the power y here. Also, we have 5 to the power x. We can also do the same here. We also create 5 to the power of x here. So, let us try to simplify equation 1. Let us try to simplify equation number 1. So, looking at equation number 1, we have 5 to the power x plus 2. But this can be written as 5 to the power x since we are having addition in the powers. So it means the same as multiply. The base is maintained 5. Then this is to the power 2. Plus 7 to the power y times 7 to the power 1, which is equal to 3, 4, 6, and 8. So that is basically what we shall have. So from here, this can be simplified further to be 5 to the power x times 25. Then plus 7 to the power y times 7. And this is equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. So from here, you realize we have created 5 to the power x, 7 to the power y. So what we can do to simplify life here is to let, for example, p to represent 5 to the power x and q to represent 7 to the power y, since it is common in the 2 equations. So this will be equation number 3. So from equations, we can now say equations 2 and 3 will become equations 2 and 3 become. So equation 2 will become, equation 2 is 7 to the power y, which is q. So q is equal to 5 to the power x, that is p minus 76. So likewise, this implies that p is same as q plus 76. We can call this equation star. Also, equation 3 will become, equation 3 is this, so it will become 5 to the power x is p, so that will be same as p times 25 plus 7 to the power y, which is q, times 7, which is equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. So for that case, 25p plus 7q will be equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. So for that case, I can call this one equation star star. So I will substitute equation star into equation star star. If we do that, 25 into q plus 76 plus 7q will be equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. So this will be 25q plus 1900 plus 7q will be equal to 3468. So from here, 25 plus that will give us 32. So 32q will be equal to, so get 3468, subtract this one here, and it will give us 1568. So from here, q will be same as 49. Q will be same as 49. So after getting q, we can go on and get the value for p. P is same as q plus 76. So this will imply that p from p equaling to, this implies that from p equaling to q plus 76. So we shall have this as 49 plus 76, and this will be equal to, 125. This will be the value of p. So having got the values for p and q, we can now get the values of x and y. So we had that q is 7 to power y and p is 5 to power x. Now we shall have that since p is same as 5 to power x and q is same as 7 to power y, this will imply that 125 is same as 5 to power x, and also q we have got it as 49, so it also means 49 is same as 7 to power y. So this will go on and give us 5 to 125 same as 5 to power 3, which is same as 5 to power x. Since the bases are the same, we can equate the powers, and x will be equal to 3. Also, 7 squared will be equal to 7 to power y, and bases are the same, so y will be equal to 2. So we shall be able to get the value of x and the value of y. And for that case, therefore, it implies the treasure location. So the treasure location on the coordinate grid, on the coordinate grid will be xy. So it is xy, x is 3, and y is 2. Will be 3, 2. And that will be the required answer for this question. So I hope that is basically the full process, and I hope you have learned how to substitute, simplify exponential expressions, and solve different equations with indices. So this method appears often in applied equations, so make sure you keep practicing. If you want more Senior 5 mathematics lessons, make sure you subscribe and follow our next videos.